guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sutuu. Welcome back to Sutuu'S Diaries. Welcome back. Just want to welcome everybody back to the channel. To the new subscribers, kudos, you made it home. Welcome to the family. God bless you. At this place we speak about the word of God. We speak about different lifestyle encouragement codes and all those goodies. We also do some DIYs, do it myself, and then we'll do some vlogs on and off. Yeah, so, and sometimes we are very obedient to the voice of God, and we do as what the voice of God is saying. So if you come to this channel and you actually hear more about the word of God, don't get discouraged, because we are very obedient to the voice of God. So if he says this week do this, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But normally we do things as led by the Spirit of God. So I just want to thank God for yet another day like this before him, declaring the glory of the Lord and the greatness, you know. Thank you so much. God bless you.